5 seconds. Start. In the history of any company, successfully completing the first 4 years of its existence, is in fact, a notable milestone, as the social and economic conditions prevailing in these days, are not encouraging one, and it is very difficult to pass through even a single year with success. Full point. The country is facing inflation and severe social and economic problems are created day by day. Full point. Because of the war declared against Arab nations, we had to face hike in prices of petrol and other edible oils. Full point. The ultimate result of all these are affected to a common man. Full point. Next para. Due to cyclone in our neighboring states, many persons have lost their lives, causing damages to the properties. Full point. I hereby express my deep grief for the same. Full point. Many have extended their helping hand to those unfortunate people by contributing liberally by means of food, clothing and money. Full point. Our employees have donated a day's salary to the cyclone relief fund of the state. Full point. Next para. During the year under review, our company has made a remarkable progress in the production. Full point. I am glad to inform you that we are able to make a considerable profit on account of the increase in our production. Full point. Dedicated work of our esteemed employees deserves to be highly appreciated by one and all. Full point. In recent days, due to liberalization policy of our government, many of the foreign banks have started making investments in our state. Full point. This would surely help us to establish a new business relationship with them also in the near future. Full point. with kind cooperation of all the employees and members, our company moves forward with faith, confidence in the years to come. Full point.